Everyone's running AI in the cloud. Tabs everywhere, subscription stacking, client data bouncing through servers you don't control. Turns out it's not an AI problem, it's a plumbing problem. Here's how you run serious AI on your own. Mac for free, starting today. 3 reasons this actually matters for a solopreneur. First, no subscription. You pay once for the hardware you already own, and the model is free. Second, nothing leaves your machine, so client NDAs stop being a low-key anxiety every time you paste a contract into a chat box. Third, no rate limits. You can batch 100 proposals on a Tuesday night and nobody throttles you, nobody meters you, nobody charges per token. The whole setup is 3 parts. Your Mac, which needs Apple Silicon, so NM1 or newer, and at least 16 gigs of RAM. 32 is better if you want the bigger models. Then Ollama, a tiny native app that runs models locally and exposes them through a clean API. And finally, a model. Llama from Meta is the safe default. Qwen from Alibaba is faster on less RAM. DeepSeek is where you go if you want reasoning. You download one once, it gets cached on disk, and that's the entire stack. No cloud, no account, no telemetry. 4 steps, 15 minutes. Step 1, install Ollama from ollama.com. It's a normal Mac installer, no account, no sign up, nothing to cancel later. Step 2, open your terminal and pull a model. Try Llama 3.370 billion if you have the RAM, or Qwen 2.514 billion if you're on a 16 gig machine. The download takes a few minutes, then it's cached forever. Step 3, run the model. 1 command, Ollama run, and it talks back in your terminal instantly. Step 4, point your real tools at it. Obsidian has a plugin, Raycast has a plugin, VS Code has a plugin. They all speak to Ollama over local hosts, so your existing workflow keeps working. You just swap the endpoint. Here's the actual delta. Before, I was paying $40 a month across 2 subscriptions, hitting usage caps on anything serious, and pasting client contracts into a text box I didn't fully trust. After $0 a month, no caps, and the files never leave my laptop. Now be honest. The quality gap with Claude or the GPT models is real for the hard reasoning and long context code work. For the 80% of solopreneur AI work that's drafting, summarizing, rewording, tagging, and grip-style search over your notes, the gap is basically gone. Verdict: build this today if you touch client data. It's not a replacement for the frontier cloud models on your hardest reasoning work, and I'm not going to pretend it is. But for the bulk of what a solopreneur actually does with AI every day, local is now the right default. The privacy alone is worth the afternoon. The $0 forever is just the bonus. If you want the exact models I'm running, plus the Raycast and Obsidian configs I use, everything's linked below. Next week, I'm wiring local Ollama into a full client proposal pipeline.